Phakathi kofakazi abathatha bethule obabo ubufakazi bemele uMagopeni, inhloko ebhekele izinhlelo zezindaba ezisakazwayo eSABC umlungu Sishibamba otshele isigcawu ukuthi inhloko yezindaba yawenza ngendlela umsebenzi wayo ngokuthi ithole isiqephu esasizongena endaweni yesiqephu se-special assignment esasinesivimelo senkantolo. Wathi uMagopeni angeke aze athweswe icala lokuthi ama-tapes awabhaliwe ngendlela efanele.
And we put in the codes as asked by the technical side of things, which is SABC 3 FCC, and that's what we have done.
If it came to your attention that the interdicted show was going to be played, to be aired, you would have done something to stop it.
Yes, I would have done something. Yes, I would have done something.
Somebody brought to your attention, says there's a mix-up here. The talk show is going to show and not still waiting. You would have done something to stop it.
Yeah, if it had come to my attention prior, I would have done something definitely.
I think anybody and everybody at SABC would have done that because you don't want your employer to be in breach of a court order.
No, Chair, and no one in news, according to me, is in breach of a court order.
Umdidiyeli omkhulu wohlelo iSpecial assignment ubususiwe Ntuli uvumelene noShibamba ethi yize wayengaseseki isinqumo senkantolo sokumisa ukusakazwa kwalesiqephu uphiko lwezomthetho eSABC alizange luze libanike umyalelo othi abayisuse le tape enhlelweni ezazizodlala.
There are all sorts of gatekeeping mechanisms throughout the system, but the final point, the sensitivity of FCC is that from FCC, everything goes out. And I can put together a program and give them this FC sheet and say it's about this thing when it's actually not about it.
Khona namhlanje ithimba labameli bakaMagopeni belifuna ukuthi simiswe lesigcawu sokuqondiswa kwakhe izigwegwe lithi ibhodi le-SABC lehlukene phakathi nesinqumo sokubanjwa kwalesigcawu nanokuthi isikhulu esiphezulu uMadoda Mxakwe ubengenayo imvume yokuthi ahlele ukuhlala kwalesigcawu. Le-SABC siyaqhubeka kusasa.